Welcome to the Little Learner Club for Beginners. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together.
Hello, little friends. Are you ready to sing and laugh? Let's meet someone very colorful. Meet the rainbow sheep dancing in the sun. Red and blue and yellow too. Wow, your colors are so fun. Ba, ba, ba. Look at me, rainbow wool from head to knee. Spin around and jump with cheer. Rainbow sheep is shining here. Ha ha! Look at that silly face. Rainbow sheep is so happy. Sing it, bee! Silly eating time. Nom nom, silly pop. Baa Baa Rainbow Sheep. What do you like to eat? Ice cream, grass, and jelly. Hey, oops, that sounds silly. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Jump, 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 splash the colors everywhere. Red, blue, yellow, green, wow, so bright. Hello? Quack, chocolate. Quack, quack. The farm friends are laughing, they love rainbow sheep. Funny colors spin, spinning, sounding, sing. Round and round the colors go, rainbow wool is all aglow. Spin so fast, what a surprise. Rainbows dancing in the sky. Start music! Rainbow sheep sits with friends so near, full of love and lots of cheer. Baa Baa Rainbow Sheep says be happy, kind and colorful. Gentle trend, did you enjoy our rainbow song? Clap your hands and sing along. See you next time. Bye bye.